If neighborhood cats keep turning your garden into their personal playground, you're not alone. Today, I'm breaking down what really works to keep cats out and which so-called fixes are pure garden folklore. So, why are cats so obsessed with your garden? It's not some feline vendetta. They're looking for soft soil to dig, warm spots to nap, and safe corners to explore. Knowing this helps you outsmart them. No wasted time on tricks that don't stick. Let's talk solutions. First, make your garden less comfy. Cats hate awkward textures underfoot, so toss some pine cones or gravel over bare earth, or plant densely to leave less open space. Second, motion-activated deterrents. A sudden spray of water or a zap of ultrasound. These give cats a proper surprise and make your garden less appealing fast. But remember, it only works if you're consistent. Third, scent-based hacks. Those stories about coffee grounds and citrus peels, they rarely last. Try planting rosemary, lavender, or rue in clusters. The smell holds up better and actually puts cats off. Fourth, give them a decoy. Sometimes it's easier to invite them elsewhere. A mulched area or sand patch away from your beds can lure them from your veggies. Now, let's bust some myths. Myth 1. Cats hate all water. Actually, just a gentle spray rarely bothers them. It's the surprise that works. Myth 2. One smelly thing will solve the problem. Most scents fade or get ignored. Layer your tactics. Myth 3. Planting catnip brings a crowd. Unless you've already got loads of cats hanging about, most won't bother at all. Protect your precious spots, mesh or wire over vegetable beds, a cloche for seedlings, coarse chips for paths, and angled barriers for raised beds. The secret? Mix and match 2 or 3 methods. Over a few weeks, cats decide your garden's just not worth it. If you found these tips useful, hit like and subscribe for more no-nonsense gardening advice that actually works.